liking having the tractor here, and so is the local wildlife. Well, that was a full morning. Went to a swap meet, sat out in a field selling greasy car parts, didn't buy any. That's unusual for me. Another unusual thing we're doing today is going to a cruise-in, very local, right by my house. And I'm not going to take any of the vehicles you would think I'm going to be taking, unless, of course, you think I'm going to take the tractor. Well, here's the tractor in question. That tire has absolutely no air in it. Not even 2 lonely PSI cuddled together in the corner for warmth. Let's do this. Cold start. There we go. Let's choke in. Let's engage the PTO. Have that come up. That's kind of my rear bumper if you squint. I've not been able to mount this yet. I just haven't had any time, so I think I'm just gonna... First of all, that PTO does not need to be moving, so I'll go ahead and just turn that off. I need to find a place to stick this thing. Okay, here's the situation. It's a beautiful day, April 7th, 2024. And there's a little cruise-in right by the house, and I'm taking the 1952 Ford 8N. This is the first time it will ever be at this show or seen out anywhere in the state of Florida, considering it lived its life since day one in 1952. As soon as it was built, it went to Kentucky. But we are now on the way to the cruise-in. Well, it went flying just then. At least it wasn't me, right? You would think that Henry would have designed some kind of bracket to hold a smartphone. 70 years after his death. It's kind of like a farm boy's version of a convertible, if you think about it. No enclosed cab. Yeah, he's right at home here. Amidst the Kias and townhomes. If I don't die, this could really be fun. Which is true of most of the really cool things in life, if you think about it. There it is, it's right over in that parking lot. Cross this traffic here, and I'll be there. What's up? Slow down here a bit. Nice! He's already a rock star. In rolling hard at the cruise-in. I got a yeah, buddy. Yeah! I get a parking space. What's going on, brother? It made it. I'm gonna find a space. I'm gonna go park. Where are you? Oh, okay. Hey, man. Nice 60. I think I'm gonna get a space over here by my buddy's Corvette. Show cars only, it says. I'm kind of wondering. It's not technically. It's not technically a car. Oh, look at that Stingray, the little black one. That thing's bad. I'm gonna back in over by the Trans Am. Back this thing up, so I gotta put the phone down.
You got the money, you can give it to him.
Gotta come over and see my buddy's Omega. Look at that freaking Mach 1. Good Lord, that thing's perfect.
Number 1429, that 1950.
What's happening? Yeah, there's not a whole lot of it out here. Well, crowd's dying down. That was a good time. Got to see some friends and stuff. One of my friends has that orange Corvette right there. I wish I had that little black Stingray. Most of the cars are already gone. Nice little turnout. I'm gonna hit the road. This tractor has a tendency to get me when I least expect it. I was pulling into the cruise in there and I was backing it up and I was thinking, I wonder if these people think I'm about to run into their car. And I just thought to myself, I'm totally fine driving this because I've been hot wiring it since I was 11. I hope you have something like this that you can drive or ride or whatever that reminds you of somebody, because it can be a really powerful thing, as in the case of this old tractor. These aren't necessarily expensive at all, but they sure are cool. Next time you see this area, it's going to be a whole bunch of houses. I guarantee that'll be jam-packed side to side. This area is growing just exponentially, man. It's crazy. Wow. Ever seen somebody travel through time? You have now.